Why it's not worth buying the Apple Vision Pro right now. Intriguing, isn't it? We live in a world where technological advancements are happening at an unprecedented pace. Every day, new devices are launched, each promising to revolutionize our lives in some way. Among these, the Apple Vision Pro has been making a lot of waves. But should you rush to buy it? Let's explore. The first reason to hold off on purchasing the Apple Vision Pro is the price. Yes, Apple devices are known for their quality and innovation, but they're also known for their hefty price tags. The Apple Vision Pro is no exception. In fact, its price is significantly higher than other VR devices on the market. It's like paying for a luxury car when all you need is a reliable sedan. So, reason number one not to buy the Apple Vision Pro right now. It's an investment that could leave your wallet feeling quite light. Moving on to reason number two, the limited software library. Now, hardware is only as good as the software running on it, and unfortunately the Apple Vision Pro falls short in this department. While the tech giant has made strides in creating exclusive content for its device, the library is nowhere near as expansive as those of other platforms. For instance, the Oculus Rift and the HTC Vive have vast libraries that span various genres, from action-packed games to immersive educational experiences. This limitation means that users might quickly exhaust the available content and be left twiddling their virtual thumbs. It's a bit like buying a high-end sports car only to find out there are only a couple of roads you can drive on. So reason number two, the lack of content can leave you wanting for more. This is definitely something to consider before investing in the Apple Vision Pro. Let's dive into reason number three, the device's compatibility issues. Now, we all know that Apple is renowned for its closed ecosystem approach, but with the Apple Vision Pro, they've taken it a step too far. This device seems to have a stubborn inability to work with non-Apple devices. Imagine this. You've just purchased this shiny, new piece of tech, eager to explore its capabilities. But wait, you own an Android phone, or perhaps a Windows PC. Suddenly, this advanced piece of technology is about as useful as a paperweight. Apple has effectively created a device that only a fraction of the tech world can fully utilize. It's frustrating, isn't it? To be locked out of a world of possibilities simply because you chose a different brand for your other devices. It's like being invited to the party but not being allowed to dance. So, reason number three, the Apple Vision Pro doesn't play well with others. And finally, reason number four, the device's battery life. Now, we all know that a device is only as good as its battery life, right? Well, the Apple Vision Pro falls short in this area. While other VR devices on the market are offering up to 8 hours of uninterrupted usage, the Vision Pro comes up short, providing only about 4 hours on a full charge. That's half the time, folks. For a device that's designed to immerse you in a virtual world, having to recharge every 4 hours can be quite a nuisance. It's like being pulled out of a captivating novel because the book suddenly shuts itself. It's disruptive and can seriously impact the overall user experience. So if you're planning on marathon sessions of VR gaming or binge watching your favorite shows, the Vision Pro might not be your best bet. So, reason number four, the device's battery life might leave you high and dry. So, there you have it. 4 solid reasons why it's not worth buying the Apple Vision Pro right now. Let's quickly recap. First, we discussed the hefty price tag that comes with this new device. Second, we examined its limited compatibility and lack of cross-platform support. Next, we dove into the device's current lack of groundbreaking features compared to competitors. And finally, we touched on the device's battery life, which falls short of expectations for a device of this caliber. However, it's important to remember that Apple is known for its innovation and dedication to improvement. While the Vision Pro might not be worth the investment today, who knows what the future iterations hold? It could very well become a game changer in the VR space. Remember, technology is always evolving, so who knows what the future holds for the Apple Vision Pro. For now though, it might be wise to hold off on that purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.